I just think everyone's got a nice feeling about it. For us as players, it's what we've been asking for a long time. So, the fans have delivered. So we realise it is down to us to go out tomorrow and put on a good performance and a win. I can't wait to get out there, with many voices behind us. I've never played for Wales in a full house before, so I'm really looking forward to that. And when you got a lot of noise behind you and stuff, sometimes it just gives you that extra, 5% when you're a bit tired and they're driving you on to keep going. So it's something that I really can't wait to walk out of the tunnel tomorrow and see all our fans in there.
Lost them yesterday. Just it was a knockout challenge really in the small side of the game, and that's how it is. We can't go into it thinking we certainly haven't got that feeling. We've got other bodies in there, other players are ready, good enough. We're still looking forward to this titanic challenge we've got on Friday night. But it's a great one, great game for us. So whoever we've got on the pitch, the players are good enough to go and get a result.
When you're in a situation like this where we have to deliver, and the fans have, as I said before, they've done their part now. They've bought tickets, they've come, they'll be there making noise, and there's no excuses. As I said to Rob before, with the injuries, whatever it is, whatever you might want to use, the time's now really for us, and it's going to be a difficult game. It's going to be a game for men. They're obviously a very strong physical side, and we know, we need to take it to them. Really, we're at home. We want to stamp our authority on the game, and really just get the job done and move on to the next game.
I know people will talk about the players that are missing, but no, I've 100% belief in the squad we've got, in the team we're putting out. If we have to make changes, we're good enough to get a result against Bosnia, absolutely.